Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm actually going to be walking you guys through 3 reasons why you're failing at Facebook ads. Over the past couple weeks since I released the first video about Facebook, if you guys haven't checked that out yet, I'm going to link it up here, so go check that out first. But if you guys haven't started Facebook yet, you should definitely be doing it. And if you guys are, I've had so many people coming to me saying that they're failing, they're quitting Facebook ads, and it's literally been 1-2 days of trying it. So I'm going to be showing you guys why you guys might be failing and try to help you guys turn those around into some profitable ads so you can make some money in the phone flipping industry. So with that said, let's get right into today's video. So as you guys can see, we are back in my computer. I really like doing these videos and you guys find a ton of value out of it. I've got a lot of good feedback regarding them. But again, I told you I'm going to be talking about 3 reasons why your Facebook ads aren't working. And once you get through this video, definitely stick around for the entire thing, because I can guarantee if you're failing at one of these, you're probably failing at all of them, and they all need to be fixed to be able to make Facebook a profitable place for you to put ads up for your phone flipping business. So the first one is, it's as simple as the fact that you haven't tested enough. Literally like handfuls and handfuls of people are coming to me every single day thinking that Facebook ads is going to be this thing where it's super easy, they can put up a couple ads and they're literally going to be profitable. No, Facebook ads is such, it's not a difficult thing, but it's not easy as well, but it's something you need to get used to and you need to spend money on. With Facebook ads, whether you like it or not, you need to spend money to make money, and that applies whether it's in phone flipping, e-commerce, or anything related to Facebook ads. A big reason why you haven't been actually being successful is you haven't tested enough. All these people are saying, I tested this one ad, failed, I'm gonna quit. I tested 3 ads, I'm done with it. No more of this Facebook ads for me. It literally took me probably about 80 different ad sets for me to be profitable in the phone flipping space regarding my Facebook ad kind of section for it. So I mean, it really takes a lot of people to, a lot of ad sets to be able to do it, and you're not going to be successful up front. Some people it might take 3-4 types of ads to be able to get some traction on, and some people it might take 50 to 60. I really had no idea what I was doing, so if you aren't really doing that well, I can guarantee 98% of you that are at this video and haven't had success with Facebook ads, you stop too early. And yeah, I mean, money adds up and stuff like that, but as long as you're making money, not all of it should be taken as profit. Some should be going towards your advertising budget, and literally if you're testing, you could do like max 15-20 bucks a day, and that could be 3-4 ads a day. So definitely, if you haven't tested enough, keep testing, because at some point it'll stick. I can promise you. You just have to keep going with it. The second one is you're targeting too narrow. I see a lot of people, one thing I do want to talk about real quick is a lot of people keep saying, should I be doing this because my town is so small? Facebook ads is such a powerful tool in that you even if your town is small, check out the areas around you. Increase the mile radius. If you guys don't know, it's just basically about, like, you can go up to 50 miles regarding your specific location, and try it. I mean, if you have a small town, increase that audience size. Specifically talking about targeting, a lot of you are targeting like iPhone 8 pluses, iPhone 7 pluses, like literally specific phones. You literally need to go broad with it. So my first piece of my first recommendation with the targeting, if you guys are just starting out, is just target the keyword iPhone. It's literally as simple as that. Again, some towns are smaller, so you need to have broad keywords to be able to target and get enough audience where you can optimize to be able to get results and run, like, in the end, retargeting campaigns. But that's obviously in the future. So if you guys are new to it and you're not targeting this keyword, literally just target iPhones. If you want to tap into the Samsung, like, Android space, again, this might be something, if you live in a small town, you're not getting a reach that's decent. A lot of you might be asking, what's a decent reach to get in, like, for your Facebook ads? For me personally, obviously you guys know I'm in Phoenix. Let's see, Phoenix, AZ, sorry, not spelling too good, but my audience size is approximately 1.5 mil. When I target, I'd say anything, you want to be above like 200K plus for being able to target the right audience. If it's anything below that, you're probably not going to get too many results, and that audience is going to get saturated with your ad as pretty quickly. So if you need to add keywords in there, like literally once you look at the Facebook section where you look at the targeting, go put in iPhones and see where the drop down menu is, and it's going to give you a couple options that you can also target for it. If you want to include Androids, that's where your business is. Literally go to Androids or Samsung. I don't really know what the keyword is off the top of my head, but that's a good way to increase your audience size. So the third and final reason why your Facebook ads are not working is your ads don't look professional. And this is probably the most important thing, because you can have testing ads, you can be testing ads, you can be targeting the right keyword, but if the ad itself does not look like somebody, like not look professional, if you yourself wouldn't click on the ad, if it looks too scammy, if it doesn't look legit, you're obviously doing something wrong. So you obviously need to be making the ad look a lot more professional. And that just something comes with time. Obviously, if you look back at my Facebook video in the past talking about this regards to phone flipping, you can see some of the examples that I had. I like to make it look very professional. I think I wrote a couple points here, but one thing is, maybe one reason why it's not looking professional is there's too many words, it has a bad picture, a bad video. I've seen multiple people coming to me showing me all their ads, and to be honest, like 90% of them aren't ads that I'd click on myself. You want to make it look professional. You want to make it look like you run a legit business, possibly even a local shop. That's the kind of the vibe we're going for here, because we do run a business. We obviously just don't have a location. So we have to compensate a little bit by making it look a little bit more professional and gaining that credibility, since we don't have that physical location. So like example, for too many words, I see people saying like they literally list every single phone that they take, literally just say iPhone 6 or newer, iPhone 7 or newer, and that you can kind of target that way. Bad pictures, I have all free. Like if you're in my course, I have them all free, and if you guys want them, I'm pretty sure they're in my Facebook group as well, or you can just ask people. There's hundreds of them out there. So or you can go ahead and create one your own. I mean, for me, I created one of my own, and that's one of my most successful ads for me right now, just because I want to look professional. But just make sure that in your ad it's not too many words, like in the picture itself, or else Facebook is actually gonna penalize you for it. So again, same thing with bad video. So those are pretty much the 3 ways that you might be failing at Facebook ads. I can guarantee most of you probably have some of these troubles. And one thing I forgot to mention, if you guys want to see me talk about how to run multiple ads at once, even in a $5 budget, so you're not spending $15, $20 a day, you're able to see which ad works the best, testing them all at once in a simple $5 to $10 ad budget. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see that. I don't know. I just thought of it as I was writing this copy for this video. So if you guys want to see that, I could create that video probably in the next week or 2. So let me know. Yeah, I need to get a couple comments in the comment section down below. So again, comment that you want to go see that video. I'd really appreciate it. If you guys found value in today's video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subbed to the channel yet, hit that subscription button down below. I'd really appreciate the support, guys. And with that said, I'll catch you tomorrow in the next video.